I started to remove the lens mount, which I'm going to reference to as the ring, from the clip that holds on to your phone. Once successfully detached, I sanded down the ring to make a smooth circle. Fortunately, this part of the video was corrupted. However, with phone in case, I put the ring on top of my camera, turned my camera on to make sure the placement was correct. Once the placement was correct, I outlined the ring and cut out its position. Be cautious when cutting. You want to make sure that you cut within the line. Do not cut on the line or beyond it. The ring must fit snug within your cutout. I placed my phone in a clear sandwich bag. I confirmed that the cutout and ring set correctly, and then I applied a permanent adhesive E6000 to the ring and the phone case. Allow the adhesive to adhere before trying to use your new phone case on any of your camera mounts.